So we've had tons of new things being built on Solana, especially in this past year, that I think are really, really good for onboarding new users. I think Solana is doing better than any other chain in crypto for onboarding new users. We had earlier this year, Pi USD came out, PayPal dropping their own stablecoin on Solana. So news like this is always bullish, but today I think we've gotten probably the biggest step forward in terms of onboarding new users to Web3, and that is Solana's new primitive called Blinks. So Blinks is short for blockchain links, right? And you can see Solana Labs has worked together with Dialect to come out with this new primitive. So what Blinks are basically going to do is allow people to interact with a blockchain through these links on any website. So if somebody drops a blink on Twitter, they'll be able to interact with it without actually going on the website. So if you want to make a Jupiter swap, this is what it's going to look like on the tweet. Instead of just clicking on the link and going to Jupiter, you'll be able to actually make the swap on the tweet. So I posted a tweet with a couple of links, and you can see right now this is what it looks like by default. It's a Jupiter swap link. Doesn't work. If I just click on it, it just takes me to the link. So we're going to have to go into our Backpack wallet and change some settings to allow the blinks to pop up. Okay, so now that we're in our Backpack wallet, we're just going to click the profile here at the top, click settings, click Solana, and then allow Solana actions on X. Now if we just close that and then refresh the page, amazing. We can see it already works. It's pretty big. I got to scroll down a little bit to see it. But you can see instead of taking me to the address to make the swap, it just works right here on our Twitter page. So let's go ahead and make a $10 swap. And then after I approve it, here's the swap right here, 0.07 Sol for 425,000 bonk. And there we go. The transaction's completed. If I go back in my wallet, you can see the swap was made. Amazing. So Dialect partnered with a few different Solana projects to make sure that their blinks work today on launch day. So here's a list of them in their thread. So you can swap meme coins with Jupiter like we just did. You can buy tokens with Phantom. You can sweep floors with Tensor, buy LSTs with Sanctum, subscribe to premium content with Access Protocol, donate to creators with Cubic and Sphere Labs, vote on Realms, and mint NFTs on Truffle. And you can see they're hinting at some new collaborations with Drift, Drip House, Magic Eden, which will be really cool to see. So these don't only work on Twitter. You can make a blink on Discord, and especially if you have your own website, you can put your blinks on there. I think that'll be really good for donations, and it'll be huge for NFT artists that aren't really good at making websites. They can integrate blinks on their own personal portfolio website so people can buy their NFTs directly on their own website. That's just something I thought of off the top of my head. I'm sure there's going to be tons of new crazy cool stuff that people make with blinks. But anyways, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching till the end. I just wanted to keep this informative and concise as possible. Got a few more videos coming out. There's a lot of stuff going on in Solana right now after the kind of few months of slow choppiness. But yeah, thank you guys once again. Take care.